feels right.
Three, two, one. Hey guys, welcome back here. So today we're doing a custom exhaust on this guy's friend over here. He has a BMW. Actually, looks really nice. Actually, he has a. Is it? No. So what model is it?
It's like 2014 328.
4-cylinder twin turbo.
4.
Yeah. So we're doing a muffler delete on it. We just went to AutoZone, bought some pipes and all that crap we need, and then we're gonna be welding. We have an idea for it. Not quite. We don't know yet, but we have an idea on we're gonna. It should work right here, and if that doesn't work, we can also do it from over there. But it'll be done by today. Yeah, that's about it.
It's already a cold start.
What?
It's already a cold start.
Yeah, it's a warm start.
Yeah. Ready?
Yeah. That's just all turbo noise.
Yeah.
This is all turbo noise.
Yeah, that's right. Mine's bigger.
Oh, then you put a big one.
Yeah.
Alright, so that's how she's not done yet. It's just we're just modeling it here. We got that on the bottom, half right there, and then straight through another 90 right there, and straight out.
Yeah, and we gotta figure out a hanger.
Yeah, we need to figure out a hanger too.
Yeah.
But so far so good. Looks perfect.
That's good. I like it.
Yeah.
For $50. Right.
Now this guy's warm in the car.
Alright, that's good. That'll hold for now. Alright, we're just getting it tacked on right now. And then we're going to take off the pipe that we have mocked up that I showed you guys from here, and then we're going to weld the rest on the ground completely flat. So that's basically what it is. So we'll see you guys once I have it on the floor. After that, just hit it with the sandpaper.
Yeah.
It's pretty straight. Pretty straight. Now we should be able to fit the exhaust pipe. Where's this? Bam.
Does it fit?
Hopefully, let's check it out.
Yeah. Perfect.
Ooh. There it is, right? Right in the center?
Yeah.
Right there?
Like it.
There it is. Perfect. I like it. Right there. Alright, awesome.
That's what it is. Now we're driving a broken car. We gotta fix it.
Broken M here and M3.
Oh, I like that.
Ooh. Turbo sounds.
Yeah.
Sounds good. Backfire? No backfire.
Already. Which way?
Left.
That's total.
Oh yeah, she's quick, dude. She's quick.
Okay, which way?
Left.
hear the backfire.
Huh?
You can hear the backfire.
You know how to drive good, dude.
It's pretty good as well. Yeah, it's better. I think it's better than pedals because you know you can just like empty car.
But if you're on the track,
You have yeah. If you're on the truck, you have to use pedals.
But I drive a manual, so fuck pedal shifters. I don't use that pussy stuff.
When you're shifting, you hear the bumping. The bumping.
Yeah.
Bumping.
Go. Go. No, okay. First time welding?
Yeah.
You're going too fast.
I see.
Yeah, you're going too fast.
Alright, let's
You
do
need to
it.
slow it down a little bit. Alright. Oh, look at that. That's pretty good, dude. That's a good beat he set there. Not bad, dude.
Yeah. Actually, it was much easier than I thought.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Harbor Freight welder.
Oh. Too loud.
Yeah, no.
Should I call this?
No, that's good.
That's good.
You just hit it right in that black spot. Dude, that's pretty good. So that's dude, for your first time around, that's pretty good, dude. I'm not gonna lie, dude. You're learning really fast. Oh wow, dude.
Yeah, it's getting darker. That's good.
I know. So this is my weld. His weld. Tell me in the comments whose weld looked better. Tell me in the comments who. That's my weld.
Yeah, don't tell them which one is yours.
Oh,
Yeah.
well, whose welds look nicer? That one or that one? One did each one.
Alright, let's finish this.
He just wants to finish it because I weld all the time, and he doesn't weld that much. So he, get some experience in. If he ever wants a job, I'll just put it. He just put it in the description. I'll show him how to weld because
How did you adjust this? Oh, I see.
just push it in. And
push it.
Yep. Get this done before it gets dark, because.
That's still leaking.
Yep, right there, still leaking. You can see right there on the floor.
Hit me like a brush.
Where's it at? We're still doing. Don't laugh at these welds. It's under the car. That's looking like crazy, but that's just don't look at that. Welds are good if we weld them outside the car, but under the car. Okay, go for it. It's super hard. You got it? Alright. Oh yeah, it burns. Just watch out. I feel a sandwich out here. Good. It is 10:32. We've been on here since 3 p.m. So a couple hours. Carbon fiber. and performance. 4-cylinder twin turbo. $11, $15. Still out here. Fixing the exhaust leaks. Alright, we're done, all done and painted. Check this one, we got the muffler here. But boom. Go in there. Huh?
Light.
Light?
Yeah. Because I'm doing the jack.
What?
The check if I think the spot.
Is it good?
I think so.
Yeah, alright, jack it up. Yeah, go ahead. More. Never stop to grind, just washing our car.
Yeah.
12:09.
12 a.m. Shit.
Yeah.
Oh.
That's one thing about these rims, dude.
That's why I never get rain like this.
Because you gotta wash
You gotta
them.
wash it forever.
Each one. Dude, look at mine. Mine are worse. I think mine have more.
You have more?
I think so.
Dude. You have to try to wash it.
Actually, I don't know. I think you have more. This is an after shot. Hold on. I should. No, you're good. Huh?
So good, bro.
I know.
We took like 12 hours.
12 hours.
Worth it. Yeah, it does.
How's it sound? You like it?
Great.